In the previous topics, we discussed how ChatGPT responses depend on the quality and accuracy of the prompts used in training the model. In this topic, we will examine how the quality of the training data provided to the model also affects the quality of ChatGPT's responses. Training data is used to teach ChatGPT the patterns and relationships between language and context through a process called supervised learning. For example, in the case of language generation, the model is trained on pairs of text inputs and outputs. By analyzing these pairs of inputs and outputs, ChatGPT learns to understand the relationships between words, phrases, and sentences, and how to generate responses based on the context provided by the input prompt. During training, the model is exposed to the training data multiple times and adjusts its internal parameters based on the patterns it observes in the data. The more data ChatGPT is trained on, the better it becomes at generating accurate responses. Therefore, providing the model with a wider range of examples to learn from improves its ability to understand the patterns and relationships of the language. Additionally, larger datasets can help to reduce the impact of biases and noise in the training data, as the model can learn from this more extensive and diverse set of examples. The GPT-3 language model was trained on a large dataset of over 570 gigabytes of text data, which is significantly larger than the training data used for previous models. The latest release, GPT-4, has much larger context windows, or the ability to remember previous prompts and responses. This allows for significantly larger input, greater response accuracy and detail, as well as more creativity. High-quality data is defined as data that accurately represents the types of questions and situations that ChatGPT will encounter in real-world applications. This means that the training data should be diverse, comprehensive, and representative of a wide range of contexts and situations. By exposing ChatGPT to high-quality training data, the model can learn the patterns and relationships between language and context. In contrast, poor quality data can lead to inaccurate responses and a lack of understanding of the patterns and relationships between language and context. Poor quality data may be incomplete, biased, or limited, which can lead to the model making incorrect assumptions or not recognizing certain patterns or relationships. The size and quality of training data are critical factors that can significantly affect the resulting accuracy of ChatGPT. Here are some ways in which these factors can impact the model's performance. The size of training data. A larger training dataset can provide ChatGPT with more diverse and representative examples, helping to improve the model's performance. For example, a larger dataset that includes a variety of conversational styles and topics can help ChatGPT generate more accurate responses to a wider range of user queries. The quality of training data is equally important. Poor quality data can introduce noise and errors, leading to flawed responses, while high-quality data can improve the model's ability to learn from examples and generate good results. For instance, if the training data contains spelling or grammar errors, ChatGPT may learn to generate content with similar mistakes. Diversity of the training data. A diverse training dataset can provide ChatGPT with examples from a variety of topics and domains, helping the model to generalize to new and unseen examples and generate more diverse and relevant responses. For example, a training dataset that includes examples from different cultures and languages can help ChatGPT produce more culturally sensitive and diverse results. And finally, the relevance of training data. The more relevant the training examples are to the intended application, the more accurate ChatGPT will be. For instance, if ChatGPT is trained on a dataset that focuses on sports, it may not be able to generate accurate replies to queries about medical topics or other unrelated topics. The relationship between prompts and training data is a two-way street, because the quality of the training data affects the accuracy of the prompts used to train the model, while the quality of the prompts affects the accuracy of the training data. The training data is used to teach the model the patterns and relationships between language and context, and the quality and relevance of the data can have a significant impact on the effectiveness of the model. Similarly, The quality of the prompts used to train the model determines the types of inputs the model is exposed to and can influence the accuracy of the model's responses. Therefore, to ensure that ChatGPT generates accurate and relevant responses, it is essential to carefully design both the prompts and the training data to ensure that they are high quality and relevant to the types of questions and situations the model will encounter in real-world applications. Crafting high-quality prompts that reflect the types of questions and situations ChatGPT will encounter in real-world applications requires careful consideration of several factors. Here are some steps that can be taken to craft effective prompts while training the model. Identify the target audience. For example, if the target audience is healthcare professionals, the prompts should focus on medical terminology and situations. Use real-world examples. Real-world examples provide context and help the model learn the relationships between language and context. Ensure variety in prompts. The prompts used in training should cover a wide range of topics and situations to ensure that the model learns to handle different types of inputs. This variety will help the model learn patterns and relationships that are relevant to generating accurate responses. Avoid biased or leading prompts. Biased or leading prompts can result in inaccurate or inappropriate responses. Lastly, continuously update the prompts. The types of questions and situations that ChatGPT may encounter can change over time. Therefore, it is crucial to continuously update and refine the prompts used in training to reflect these changes. Finally, let's explore some examples of datasets that could be used as diverse and relevant training data. This could include news articles from different sources, covering a range of topics such as politics, sports, and entertainment. Customer support chat logs, containing examples of actual customer inquiries and responses from support agents. Movie reviews, providing examples of different opinions and perspectives on movies from various genres and time periods. And scientific research papers, covering a range of fields such as biology, chemistry, and physics. By using diverse and relevant training data, developers can improve ChatGPT's accuracy and ensure that the model is able to generate useful responses across a range of topics and domains.